using these two body lotions to brighten up your skin and give you that brighter, glowing skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always dropping by. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button below so that you can get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And do not forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So in my last video, I talked about how to use two body lotions to lighten your skin, and I thought to myself, why not do one for people that want to brighten up their skin? So in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to use two body lotions to brighten up your skin. So if you want that brighter, glowing skin, then you definitely need to keep on watching, because I'll be walking you through how to use not just one but two body lotions to brighten up your skin. So let's dive right into it. So for context, skin brightening is more like adding a natural glow or radiance to your skin. It doesn't require you changing your skin tone or complexion. So when we talk about brightening, it's only going to make your dark skin, fair skin, chocolate or caramel skin tone to shine brighter. Now that you have understood what skin brightening is all about, let's dive into the business of the day. So like I said in my previous video, mixing body lotions or different concoctions into your body lotions is not something I would advise you to do. Like, it's a bad skincare practice to start with, because when you mix different body lotions or two creams into your body lotions, you're not only spoiling the formulations of your body lotion, the ingredients in this body lotion are obviously going to cancel each other out. And in a situation whereby you end up mixing two body lotions that their ingredients list do not pair well together, is obviously going to react on your skin and damage your skin. Imagine mixing your Dr. Tew's body lotion with amlactin body lotion just to brighten up your skin. You're obviously going to end up damaging your skin, and this is because your Dr. Tew's body lotion is formulated with vitamin C as its active ingredient, while your amlactin body lotion is formulated with lactic acid, which is more like an exfoliant, and alpha hydroxy acid. So these two ingredients do not in any way pair well together. So mixing them together is obviously going to cause an adverse effect on your skin, and you're obviously going to end up terribly damaging your skin. So for those of you that will still come to the comment section to ask me, Judy, can I mix my Dr. Tew's body lotion with my Medis 5.5 body lotion? Or can I mix my Dr. Tew's body lotion with my amlactin body lotion? The answer is no. Mixing two body lotions together is not something you want to do, because it's a bad skincare practice and it might end up damaging your skin. So instead of mixing different body lotions together or adding different concoctions into your body lotions, I'll definitely advise you use two body lotions to brighten up your skin. See, using two body lotions is one way to achieve your skincare goals. Like, this has been a game changer for me in my skincare routine. So if you actually want to brighten up your skin without damaging your skin or having any discolorations, hyperpigmentations or uneven skin tone, like you want your skin to be shining and glowing, the first step you need to take is to choose the right body lotions. When it comes to selecting the right body lotions, bear in mind you're not choosing one body lotion, you are choosing two body lotions. So the first body lotion you will need if you want to brighten up your skin is a brightening body lotion. So if you're picking a brightening body lotion, you should be able to look out for the ingredient list. You should be able to look out for body lotions that contains vitamin C, niacinamide or alpha hydroxy acids. Any of those is definitely going to help brighten up your skin. So like I always say, everyone's skin is unique. So you need to find out whether a vitamin C body lotion works in brightening up your skin, or if an exfoliating body lotion is best to brighten up your skin. So this is all you need to know when selecting your brightening body lotion. So the next or second body lotion you will be needing is a hydrating body lotion. So you should be able to look out for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, ceramides, aloe vera, shea butter, and the rest. These are hydrating ingredients that will help to moisturize and nourish your skin. So in other words, your brightening body lotion is going to be there to brighten up your skin and add a certain amount of shine or radiance on your skin. Whereas the hydrating body lotion you're going to be needing is definitely going to help soften your skin and give it that healthy, supple feel. So if you really want to brighten up your skin and give it a healthy glow, then you definitely need to pair your brightening body lotion with a hydrating body lotion, because this is definitely going to help nourish and at the same time brighten up your skin. So the whole essence of using a brightening body lotion in your skincare routine is to help even out your complexion and prevent any further sun damage. Now, with that said, I'll be showing you the best body lotion recommendations that will brighten and glow your skin. So if you want to really brighten up your skin without damaging your skin, then you definitely need to try out any of these body lotions that I'll be recommending. And the two body lotions I'll be recommending you use if you want to brighten up your skin is this Garnier Bright Complete Body Lotion with the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow Body Lotion. This two combo is definitely going to give you that brighter, glowing skin. It's not going to give you one shade, but 2 to 3 shades brighter skin tone. So if you want your dark, fair, or chocolate skin to be popping, then you definitely need to pair these two body lotions together if you want to brighten up your skin without damaging your skin tone. These two body lotions are tested and trusted when it comes to skin brightening. This is something I've recommended for a client and she really loved it. Like in a space of 2 to 3 weeks, this is going to give you that beautiful, smooth, glowing skin. And that is because this Garnier Bright Complete Body Lotion is going to help brighten your skin, moisturize your skin, and protect your skin from the sun. It contains yuzu lemon extract that is a form of vitamin C. So this is going to give you that brighter, glowing skin. This on its own is going to brighten your skin and give it that natural radiance. It's suitable for all skin types and complexion. It's not a body lotion that will damage your skin or give you discolorations on the skin. Hell no, it's not going to do that. This is a safe skin brightening body lotion that will brighten and glow your skin. So using or pairing it together with this Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow body lotion is definitely going to help brighten and glow your skin. Whereas the Nivea Radiant and Beauty body lotion is a body lotion that will help to hydrate your skin. This particular body lotion contains ingredients like aqua, glycerin, and it also has a brightening effect to it because it's also formulated with 95% pure vitamin C and also pear extract, turmeric. So this as well is going to brighten up your skin. So imagine a situation whereby you pair these two together. It's definitely going to give you that brighter, lighter, glowing skin. Like a lot of people will be asking you, hey, what are you using on your skin? These two body lotions are very moisturizing and they are going to brighten and give you that supple, glowing skin. So for those of you that cannot afford to get those two body lotions that I've mentioned, you can definitely opt in for the Vaseline Daily Brightening Body Lotion with the Dove Body Love Intense Care Body Lotion. This is another great affordable combo that will brighten and glow your skin. The Vaseline Daily Brightening Body Lotion contains niacinamide, which is your vitamin B3, and is definitely going to help treat any form of spots or pigmentation on your skin and give you that brighter, glowing skin. It's a great body lotion for both fair, dark, chocolate, and caramel skin tone. Like this is definitely going to help brighten your skin and give it that glowy effect. Whereas your Dove body lotion is going to serve as a hydrating body lotion to blend and even out your skin tone. So this Dove Body Love actually contains ceramide restoring serum. So this is a body lotion that I recommend you use together if you want an even brighter, glowing skin tone. It's going to glow your complexion and you're definitely going to love it. So now let's take a look at how to use two body lotions to brighten your skin. If you're using the Garnier Bright Complete Body Lotion with your Nivea Radiant and Beauty Body Lotion, you want to use them at alternate times of the day, and you need to first of all start off with cleansing your skin. In this case, you need a moisturizing soap. Just go for gentle soaps that will not strip your skin of its natural moisture, because your soap is a wash off product, so it does little to nothing in your skincare routine. So once you're done cleansing your skin, you need to exfoliate your skin. If you really want a brighter glowing skin, you definitely need to use a body scrub in your skincare routine. See, you need to understand that exfoliating your skin is one way that you can achieve a brighter glowing skin, because if you do not take off the dead skin cells on your skin, no matter the amount of body lotion you apply to your skin is actually going to look dull. But when you exfoliate your skin, that is when your skin is going to have a natural radiance. So for you to have a brighter, beautiful, glowing skin, I'll definitely advise you use a body scrub to scrub off all those dead skin cells that are sitting on top of your skin. So the next or third step once you're done exfoliating your skin is to moisturize your skin. Like, if you want to get the best results with your body lotion, make sure you're applying your body lotion when your body is still a bit damp or wet. That way your body lotion is going to easily penetrate into your skin and give you that supple glow effect. So use your Nivea body lotions in the morning, use your Garnier body lotion at night. Whereas if you're someone going for the second combo, which is this Vaseline Daily Brightening body lotion with the Dove Body Love Intense Care body lotion, then you need to use your Dove body lotions in the morning and use your Vaseline Daily Brightening body lotions at night. Once you're done moisturizing your skin, the next or fourth step is to go in with a body oil. So once you're done applying your body oil, the next step is to use a sunscreen. So using a sunscreen is definitely going to help protect your skin from the sun and equally help to preserve all the brightening effect that you have gotten. So if you don't want the sun damaging your skin, you definitely need to include a sunscreen in your skincare routine. So those are the steps that you need to follow if you want to brighten and glow your skin. Now, the last or final step you need to note is to be consistent. See, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. You definitely need to be consistent with your skincare routine if you want to see results. So using two body lotions can be a fantastic way to achieve a brighter, glowing skin. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you'll be trying out any of those body lotions, or if you have used any of those body lotions before. Let's know how it worked for you right in the comment section. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.